This is Dhananjay from MOKSH. I'm the CEO here. In India, you won't believe, we teach German language to probably the largest number of students in India. And how can we do it? We are not even recognized so big way, so silently we are doing, because our program is online coaching. Okay? It means the professor is sitting in Germany, you are going to sit in any corner of India, okay? And you are going to learn, interact on live lectures basis. We have a calendar of batches, intensive, weekend courses. It appeals to the students, it appeals to the, the corporate people, it appeals to everybody. Even it appeals to the doctors who are looking to settle down in Germany. So there are lots and lots of people who are joining our classes. One of the prime requirement to go to Germany is passing A1 and A2 level of German language. I can tell you, we will teach you till you achieve almost 70 to 80 marks. 60 is the passing. Okay? So there is no limitation, no validity. The validity is you get 70 to 80 marks. That's the kind of teaching that we have. We have native German speakers. You can get through, you just peep into one of our lectures and you will realize what difference it makes. Sit at the comfort of home. Don't travel to a German class where a small class being conducted by a small teacher. No, you need a professional learning, you need a systematic teaching, and you need to assess yourself by test and assessments. Okay, so we will provide you those kind of tests so that when you appear for the examination, you are absolutely confident and ready. Okay, German is not difficult, as everybody says. Germany is, if you know Sanskrit or Hindi, it's very easy to learn German. If you know English, it might get difficult to learn German, because in your mind it will get conflict. Okay, but it's kind of, there is so much of a rush to learn German language that you don't get an examination date. The slots are not available. Suddenly the Germany has become a destination for thousands of students, and everybody needs to learn German language of A1 and A2 minimum level. We will of course teach you right up to B1 if you need to. So just contact our counselors and they will tell you, they'll provide you with the brochures, the cost, with the trial login, the free demo lectures. Just join in one of the lectures and you will know the quality of teaching, the systematic approach, the study material, the test and assessment, the entire learning management solution only for Germany. At this moment, we are teaching 5 languages, not only German. Okay, we are teaching English, we are preparing students for IELTS, we are teaching Spanish. There are a lot of lectures that you will find, even you can peep into such lectures. Or we are teaching Russian, Ukrainian and Chinese as well. So we are creating a kind of an online foreign language school at the moment at MOKSH. And all these lectures are available, you can definitely look into it, okay? Just avail of it, don't just rush into any small time local college, the classes, okay? Thank you.